Today starts the Young Gun Sidekick Project series. My son bought a 1990 Yamaha YZ125cc motocross bike that was supposed to be in running condition. But when we were going to pick it up, it turned out it wouldn't start. But he did the only right thing and bought it. How else? Of course, the bike looks damaged and there are defects, such as a broken front brake cylinder, missing starter pedal, scattered covers, etc. Today we are taking the first steps to bring the bike to life. We tried to start it by pushing it, but we noticed that the clutch didn't work at all. So we start by adjusting it. When the clutch was fine, we went to try starting it again, and we noticed a vague knocking sound from the engine. We decided to open the engine to find out where the knocking sound is coming from. In any case, we would have opened the engine to change the piston, because the hours were already almost 60. In order to get to the engine better, Son had to disassemble the covers and the exhaust system. Finally, we ended up taking out the seat, the tank and most of the hoses of the cooling system. After removing the cylinder head, we noticed signs that were caused by either a broken piston or some other foreign material in the cylinder. However, nothing special was found on the cylinder or the top of the piston, and the piston was clean. We opened the magneto cover, so that we can hand crank the motor. And as you can see, the reason for the knocking sound was found. Now we are looking for new, used magneto/flywheel/rotor assy, which seem to be out of stock, at least in Finland.